If you're looking for a robot vacuum that actually makes cleaning easier and more efficient, you've probably come across the Dreame L10s Ultra. But does it really deliver on its promises? Today, I'm giving you a complete no-nonsense breakdown. The good, the bad, and everything in between. No hype, no sales talk, just an honest look at whether this is the right robot vacuum for you. Let's get started. The Dreame L10s Ultra has a premium look and feel, but what really makes it stand out is the base station. Unlike standard docks that just charge the vacuum, this one does much more. It automatically empties the dustbin, it refills the water tank for mopping, and it cleans and dries the mop pads to prevent odors. This means you can go up to 60 days without manually emptying the bin. For anyone with a busy schedule, this is a game changer. Now, the most important question: does it actually clean well? The short answer: yes, and impressively well. With 5,300 pascals of suction power, the Dreame L10s Ultra picks up everything from fine dust to pet hair and even dirt embedded in carpets. It automatically adjusts suction power based on the surface, ensuring a deep clean. But what about mopping? Unlike basic robot mops that just drag a damp pad across the floor, this one actively scrubs with 2 rotating mop pads. It also adjusts the water flow based on the level of dirt, so it doesn't leave your floors too wet. And here's something pet owners will appreciate. It automatically lifts the mop when it detects carpets, so it won't soak them. One of the biggest issues with cheaper robot vacuums is poor navigation. They bump into furniture, they get stuck, and they follow an inefficient cleaning path. That's not a problem here. The Dreame L10s Ultra uses AI-powered LiDAR navigation to map your home with precision. Through the app, you can create no-go zones, select specific rooms to clean, and customize cleaning schedules. It also has a built-in camera with AI obstacle recognition. That means it can identify and avoid objects like charging cables, pet toys, and furniture legs. No more getting stuck on random objects. Every robot vacuum requires some maintenance, but the L10s Ultra takes care of most of it for you. It auto-empties the dustbin. It washes and dries the mop pads. It uses washable filters, which saves you money in the long run. Of course, you'll still need to replace the mop pads occasionally and check the main brush for tangled hair. But compared to other models, maintenance is minimal. No product is perfect. So here's a quick summary of what it does well and where it could improve. Pros: powerful 5,300 pascal suction. Mop with real scrubbing action, not just a damp wipe. Self-emptying and self-cleaning dock for low maintenance. Smart AI navigation with object recognition. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Cons: the price is on the higher side, but the advanced features justify it. The base station takes up more space than standard docks. The app has a learning curve, but once set up, it's intuitive. If you're looking for a truly hands-free cleaning experience, the Dreame L10s Ultra is one of the best robot vacuums on the market today. It's not just a basic vacuum. It automates nearly every part of the cleaning process, from vacuuming and mopping to self-emptying and self-cleaning. Now, if you're on a tighter budget and don't mind emptying the dustbin and washing the mop pads yourself, a more basic model might be enough for you. But if you want a robot vacuum that actually takes cleaning off your to-do list, this one is absolutely worth the investment. To check the latest price and details, click the link below. Now, if this review helped you, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Got any questions? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help.